Okay, so you're probably wondering, what is TampaBay360.com? Tampa Bay 360 is a family of visual directories throughout the United States. There's about 61 of them, United States, Canada, and Europe, and growing throughout the world. It's basically a visual directory and a place where people go to do local search. Lots of people come to the site to search for businesses, things to do, attractions, restaurants, you name it. Each one of these websites that we build and put on our network is a separate website called a promotional page or a capture page. Each one of these capture pages or each one of these businesses that we have on the portal has their very own website that's geared and tailored specifically to them. This is Alexander Tailoring, and this specific customer is going after the baptismal gowns and christening dresses and things like that in the Tampa Bay market. So we built this page around those very specific keywords to capture those customers. Let me give an example. We have a sports bar on our page called Rockin' Sports Bar, and this keyword gets typed in about 1,200 times per month. And our main goal for each business is to get them ranked on the first page of Google. And as you can see, there's a lot of different spots here on Google. 92% of all the people that visit this very first page do not go to page 2, so it's very important to get to page 1. I'll show you a couple of these other people on page 1 and why we are better. As you can see here, you've got Urban Spoon, Metro Mix, City Search, Tampa Guide. I'm sure all of you guys have heard of those websites. Those are directories as well. We're actually located way up here at the top with a couple other popular sports bars right there. But the difference between us and them is, watch what happens when you type in or when you hit the Urban Spoon site. Here you have many, many different sports bars. You know, if you're a customer of theirs, you're just getting lost in the mix. If you're a customer of, let's look at Metro Mix. So here we go to the Metro Mix site, and again, if you were a customer, you're just getting lost. It's nice that the targeted traffic did go to that site, but here's the difference between us and them. When you click this link, it goes directly to the Rockin' Sports Bar site. So what we do is we come up with about 5 keywords and use those keywords and do search engine optimization for the very specific page. This one's a very plain page, but it gets about 2,000, 3,000 hits a month. And this call to action right here, the business owner gets a lot of business from this. So in a little bit, I'll show you how to be able to post your own coupons and things like that. So the interesting thing about TampaBay360.com and why it works, well, every single one of these websites or promotional pages that we put on the site is actually controlled by each individual business. So each individual business can log in and change out pictures. They can change out promotions, coupons. The coupons are kind of a big deal. When someone goes to Google, and let's say they wanted to type in coupons Tampa Bay, so for Coupons Tampa Bay, you know, there's our site right there. We get thousands and thousands of people that actually go to the coupon site. So we always let our customers know that it's a good idea to place them out there. You've got other social couponing sites like Groupon, Living Social, and things like that. But you know, the bad thing about going that route is those specific sites take a lot of the profits that you'd get from the coupon. So this is a way that you can actually do it for free. And it takes about 2 minutes to post a coupon. So let's go into the back-end site. Now this is the place where you actually can log in. We'll give you a login and a password. and you can actually go into the site to see how well it's doing. And we'll go ahead and use Rockin' Sports Bar as an example. So let's just use last month as an example. Last month, Rockin' Sports Bar just got 1,200 hits. Over here, you can find out how many times we actually brand your name. So on the Tampa Bay 360 site, everybody gets these tiles. We'll make a little graphic for you. These get rotated every time somebody's on the site. So each business gets an equal share of exposure on the site. These are not advertising or paid advertising slots. These are all of our customers. So this is a place where you can actually look and see how many times we go in and brand the site. And then you can find out other things like your hits per month. You can find out how many times people look at the coupons and promotions. So with this graph, you can find through different months the trend analysis. If a coupon's working, great. If it's not, you can find out if this number is going down or if it's going up. You can find out how many times people click on the map that we have on the site. Your hours of operation. These are all good signs of people very, very interested to go to your business and spend money. So that's a little dashboard where you can log in and see the statistics. Everything can be printed. You can put them in nice, neat little graphs, for your files. But again, you can print and export all the statistics. So if you're a marketing manager and you need to show this stuff to the business owner, it's a really neat way to do that. So let's say with the promotional page, this is the place where each individual can actually log in and change out different items on their page. You can change out the text. So this is all the text of the entire website. These are different paragraphs. And these things can be moved up and down if you like. Let's say you needed to change the text of a paragraph on the site. You just hit edit. And this is the entire web page. So anybody that is unfamiliar with doing code and things like that, that's totally fine. All you need to know is how to type a Word document, and you can build a web page on this content management system. It's very easy. You can log in and change things, like I said, like coupons. This individual has launched 3. And the neat thing about changing coupons and promotions and your events, we actually link your website that we build for you to your Facebook and your Twitter pages. As you see here, we always promote the Facebook and the Twitter. When you click it, it goes directly in there. So the neat thing when we connect the Facebook and the Twitter is when you change and add a coupon, it automatically feeds into Facebook and Twitter and your social media. Not only does it feed into Facebook and Twitter, but it also goes right here on the home site. Newest Tampa Bay coupons. There's one of the Boston Cooker ones. So when you click it, it actually goes back to the page. So what we're trying to do is pull people from the outside, from social media, get them back involved in your promotional website, because that's creating links. Links are very important in SEO and search engine optimization and getting you to the top of Google. When you're at the top of Google for important key terms, that's where the people are. That's where your targeted traffic is. That's what you want. So when you go in here and change this coupon, let's go to their Facebook page and see what happens when we did that. As you can see here, it launched into Facebook and it created a little link where they can click it, and now you move them away from Facebook back into your page where they can actually go in here and print out the coupon. This is all printable on or seen on mobile devices as well. We have an iPhone app, so we're always keeping up with the latest technology. Here you can add promotions the same way. You can put different links on your site. So if you want to link to the Facebook, you want to link to Twitter, you can do that. We can put different links. If you already have a website, we can promote that and link to that. That's a really strong link for you. Here's where you can change out the visuals and the pictures of the site, which we'll talk about later in a tutorial on how to do that. But as you can see, everything's very, very easy. Very easy to move around, very easy to edit. All you got to do is know how to type. It's pretty self-explanatory, and nobody can break the site. It's made and built for simple business. It's made in a way that each person on here, each business owner, can easily manage their advertising and their marketing campaigns for much, much less than what you're probably already paying. It's not just advertising, it's marketing. It's not just a website. You know, we've got places where you can put your events. When you add events, it goes right here on the front page. Can't miss it. Right here on the front page. We get like 15,000, 20,000 people a month just looking at events. So it's a place for you to add your information, your coupons, your promotions, your events. You can post jobs. We have an email blast system like Constant Contact or MailChimp. It's a really, really neat way to reach out to your customers and grab them. There's nothing else like this on the market. There's a couple people that are trying to imitate, but we've been around forever, and we really got a really great product, and it works. So if you're looking and interested in being a part of the portal and the network, give us a call. We'd love to meet with you to see if it might be a good fit. And please log into our Facebook for updates, and keep checking back on Twitter for new customers. Thank you very much.